Do you want to create the look of a lifted photo, complete with a correct shadow? This script is for you. With this script, you have different options to lift your photo. So let's run it. On any photo, you run the script. It will also work on a copy of your photo, so it won't be damaged. You can add a border to your photo or not. You can have a Polaroid look or a uniform look. Let's make it uniform, and I'll just use the default 50 pixels. That should work for this photo. And now I have different options to bend my photos. I can have a vertical bend, so it will curve this way. I can have a horizontal bend, so my photo can curve this way or that way, concave or convex. I can have it diagonal, where I will have opposite corners being lifted, or I can choose a single corner. So let's start with a single corner. And I can choose whichever corner. Let's select the bottom left. So number 3, and let it run. Great. As you can see, not only the photo is curved, the shadow is curved, but also the lighting on the photo matches the curve. How cool is that? Let's try with a different photo. And let's try with different options. So I can run it. And maybe this one I won't add any border. And I will want to have a vertical bend, and I want it convex. And there we go. Again, we have that curved photo. The lighting has been adjusted and the shadow is realistic. Finally, let's try it with a Polaroid frame. So I will accept for the border, and I will want to have a Polaroid. And maybe this time I want to have it diagonal, with the upper left and lower right corners being lifted. Great, how cool is that? Once you have your photo and your shadow, you can either merge them together to copy and paste onto your project, or you can group those two layers if you really want to keep them separate, and then copy and paste the whole group onto your project. Now you can get all kinds of lifted photo effects with your own photos. Have fun!